All right, so if you've already finished your basic pagoda, what I'd like you to do today is try to be a little bit more creative now that you know the basic steps to make the whole building. What could you do along the way to make it a little bit more interesting to look at? So over here, you can see a design that I made, and over here, you can see what it's made out of. So on my roof, I added these little ridges to the top, almost as if there's beams helping hold up the roof. On the main part of the building, I put a little rim around the bottom and the top, and I put these columns at each corner. If I ungroup this, you can see what that's made out of. And then my window is just a window with a smaller window stretched through it um, as a whole that kind of makes that little ridge for the window frame. So there's a lot of different things you can do. Just so you know, you're going to need to get pretty creative with your use of things like the duplicate tool, grouping, and aligning. Let's say I wanted to put a little detail, like a little sphere, just kind of perched on each corner of the roof. What I would need to do is duplicate that shape, move it over to the other corner, and then select both of them and group them so that I can then duplicate them and move over the copies to the other corner. Now, I'm not quite done yet because I'm actually not sure that they're all in exactly the spot I want them to be in. So what I'm going to do is move this building out of the way for a second and just group those four balls together. That way, when I move this back up, I can align both grouped shapes together, left to right, front to back, and group. Once that red line goes away and everything's the same color, we'll know that it worked. So there we go. Give it a try.